Suzuki Fronx Hybrid. First impressions and long-term outlook, the 2026 Suzuki Fronx is an unusual, yet compelling, addition to the compact SUV market. Positioned as a frontier crossover by Suzuki, this model represents a new direction for the brand and a strong value proposition for Australian buyers. Launched in August 2025, the Fronx effectively replaces the Baleno, utilizing its platform while offering a more spacious and feature-rich experience. Market position and sales performance, the Fronx has already demonstrated strong sales in India, where it topped monthly charts before settling into 7th place by year-end. This success is mirrored by its availability as the Toyota Urban Cruiser Tacer, a testament to its underlying quality and appeal. In Australia, the Fronx competes directly with models like the Mazda CX-3, Toyota Yaris Cross, and Hyundai Venue, but distinguishes itself through a competitive price point and generous standard equipment. Design and interior quality, the exterior styling is distinctive, though polarizing. With a puff-cheeked face and slim LED headlights, it leans into a sporty, urban aesthetic. Inside, the cabin offers ample space, even for taller occupants, and boasts a high level of standard features. These include keyless entry, wireless phone charging, a head-up display, and faux leather trim, making it a well-equipped option in its segment. The interior blends older textured plastics with modern tech like a head-up display and wireless connectivity, creating a unique experience. Engine and efficiency. The Fronx is powered by a 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine from Suzuki's K-Series family, delivering 76 kW of power and 137 Nm of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it achieves a fuel economy of 4.9L/100 km. The mild hybrid system uses an integrated starter generator, ISG, to improve efficiency, though it is not a full hybrid, lacking a 48V battery. Pricing and value, the Fronx is offered in a single model grade at $28,990 before on-road costs. Customization options include paint colors, with two-tone finishes adding to the price. A limited-time drive-away offer of $29,990 has expired, leaving the current price at $30,335 plus on roads, or $33,135 drive-away. This positions it competitively against rivals like the Chery Tiggo 4 Hybrid, which offers similar value but higher fuel consumption. Safety concerns and recall. Recent ANCAP crash testing revealed a critical flaw: a rear seatbelt failure in frontal impact tests, resulting in a 1-star safety rating. This prompted an immediate recall by Suzuki Australia and Suzuki Queensland. While standard safety features like autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera are included, the seatbelt issue raises serious questions about long-term reliability. Consumers should be aware of this component failure if considering purchasing a Fronx prior to Suzuki demonstrating that the component failure has been investigated and addressed. Ownership costs. Suzuki offers a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty, along with cap price servicing for the first 5 years or 75,000 km. Service intervals are every 12 months or 15,000 km, with costs ranging from $319 to $579 depending on the service. Initial verdict: despite its quirks, the Suzuki Fronx presents a compelling value proposition. It's a no-fuss, user-friendly vehicle that delivers a lot of equipment for the price. However, the recent safety recall is a significant concern that must be addressed before long-term reliability can be assured. The Fronx is a cheap date that says all the right things so far. Its true performance will be revealed in long-term testing.